different from the American version. This is the part I'm afraid of. Hello everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. It's 1:37 p.m. This morning I was in a rush to go to school because I woke up pretty late. I was just really tired. I was so out of it. I was supposed to film my friends. I was supposed to film at school. I did film at school. Literally the only clip I got is of the screening room. We were in there to watch our final projects. The one I was working on yesterday. Yeah, I didn't get to film my friends. I don't know, I was just like, my brain wasn't working. I was just tired and just, I wasn't in it. I'm in it now. I just finished a presentation for a class that goes through film theory but also script writing as well. So yeah, I just finished a presentation for that. Will I film this one day? Honestly, maybe. It's about a person losing their keys and trying to find it, and it's like chaotic. You'd like hone in on like trying to find it, like the search montage, like looking for, like throwing everything everywhere, like going through the couch cushions, looking under the couch, looking under your bed, like that kind of thing. I'll film this one day. This is like this could be a project I work on in the future. Who knows? I felt like I was rambling, but it's over and done with. My professor is chill. She's one of my favorites anyways, so I'm sure she'll take it. Yeah, that's what I've been doing. My dad last night, bless him, while I was working on the project yesterday, when he came home he was like, oh my gosh, he's still working on the project. And I wanted to get the tree out of the closet in the living room, and he did it for me. He even cleaned up, like he moved the couch so there's room for the tree, took out the ornaments. So I think I'm gonna work on the tree today. At least we have something Christmassy to do. I would play a Christmas movie right now since I don't have anything school related, like project wise, that I have to do anymore. I don't think anymore, anyway. I think I'm gonna open my advent calendar because I ate Jollibee. My mom picked me up from school and I got Jollibee. I ate chicken. She bought me Jollibee. I saw it in the car. So dessert sounds good right now, which is my advent calendar. So we'll do that right now. Advent calendar time. Day. Where? Let me. Can you see? Where's day 2? There it is. Oh, it's white chocolate today. Don't mind if I do. This is the white chocolate praline. So the white chocolate version of what I ate yesterday. If I can get it out. There you go. That's what it looks like. Can you see? There you go. Good. Can't wait for tomorrow. I wonder which one of these I'm gonna get tomorrow. Oh, I guess I could talk about school since I went to school today. So we were just watching like I said, we were watching everyone's projects in the screening room, which is the first time we've ever done it, and it was cool. Although I was getting overly comfortable in there to the point where I really wanted to like go to bed. Like I wanted to sleep because it was so dark and cold, and it's just, it was like I'm in a movie theater, right? So yeah. Like some of my class, like I had a classmate that came like very comfy because they've been in there before. I've never been in the screening room. It was cool to be in there. I'm slightly terrified to have my video play in there. I wonder how that's gonna go. I didn't go today. I'm going on Wednesday. I don't know if I'm going to cut it down because it's supposed to be, the max is like 5 minutes. I ended up with a 10-minute video. I don't know how much more to like cut down. I think I'm just gonna commit to the 10 minutes and hope she accepts it. School's fun. I like that class. It's one of my favorite classes. It's the make a short film class at my university, and I feel like I've improved after taking that class, and inspired by classmates as well. Like, my classmates are so talented. Like, dude, one of them literally made a whole, like, it could literally be a sport commercial. Like, he's so good. Oh man. Yeah, I really like that class. I really like, I don't think have I ever just explained what my degree was? My degree is at creative media, and I really like it. I'm glad that I made the decision to pursue this degree. It's hard, like, work, but it's hard work that I'm enjoying. I don't, like, it's not like I'm doing something that's like what I was doing before, which is like, I think business. No. Don't remember any of it, but I apparently have a certificate for it to prove that I did take those. But yeah. Do I have white chocolate in my mouth this whole time? You know what? Embracing it. I'm gonna be embarrassed and embrace it, whatever. I don't remember if I said why I'm not watching Christmas movies. Editor Elaine will remember. Essentially, I'm gonna say it again anyways. The reason I'm not watching a Christmas movie later when I work on the tree is because my mom is watching Fantastic Beasts. I don't know if she's watching Harry Potter now, but she was watching Fantastic Beasts. I would watch with her, but I have day one edit. I did not edit it yet. And how are you gonna watch day one if I don't upload it? So I gotta do that now. See you later. I really will work on the tree. I really want to see a Christmas tree. And I want you guys to see a Christmas tree. Okay. Signing out. As you can see behind me, we have a tree. No decorations though. I'm going to take a break from this because I was sweating. It was really hot putting this together. We put it here. It used to be right there. We moved it here because we can't put it there. So it's now there. We pushed all the seating back, so like there's like barely any room, but it's fine, it's fine. So yeah, I'm taking a break. I'm watching an old Fuslie stream during Rust Kingdoms because I was in Japan, and I'm sad because I really liked the Rust era, like through Fuslie's point of view that she had like a long time ago. I remember when she first got that first Rust server. I was watching Fuslie so much at that time, so I'm so sad I missed the new one while I was in Japan. But at least I'm a VOD watcher. I get to rewatch the VODs. I wish I watched it live though. Ugh. Now I'm eating strawberries. My mom got me some strawberries, And they're really good. Like, they're really nice. Actually, before I forget, when I went to Target, they had the Nutella, but in like the glass container. Is this a glass? Well, not the normal packaging container for Nutella. Is this different from the American version? I don't know. I should try it since I have strawberries. I'm gonna try it with me. Let me put you down. Let's open it. Oh, it's more liquidy. Should I just dip it? Yeah, I'm gonna just... actually, no. I'm gonna grab a spoon. BRB. Got my spoon. Smells really good, though. Oh, it's more liquidy. I don't remember Nutella. I don't buy Nutella a lot, but I know for a fact Nutella is not this liquidy. Is this the good stuff? The good version? Because I like Nutella, but I don't like it in large quantities. But this, I can get by this. That tastes like Ferrero Rocher. Rocher? I think I like this more. I'm glad I saw this at Target. It's time to decorate the tree. Look at all my ornaments. I'm gonna show you the new ones. This one is new. All the food looking ones are new. This is new. Look at this, so cute. It's a little orange or tangerine. This one matches the nutcracker my mom got last year with the grapes. Oh, I got a Harry Potter one, 'cause duh. And it has a little, can you see? Why won't it focus? Trust me, there's a wand in there. But it's really cute. A little penguin. And I really liked this. Thought it was cool. And then the ones from last year. A bunch of stars. Yay! Oh, and then these are bows that I made last year. I'm gonna put them in the tree too. Alright, I'm ready. Okay, where do I begin? This one, the big one. watch Home Alone. I'm in the Christmas spirit now. Yay! I finished. I put up stockings over there. That's mine, my dad's, and my mom's. And then you saw my dad put up the star. And here's the tree. Auntie, say hi to my vlog.
Okay.
O yan, ito niya pang piano.
My auntie's looking at my tree. Hi.
Hello. Hello, Hawaii.
Finished showering. It's so hot. One thing I never mentioned about putting up the tree in Hawaii, it's so hot. It's not cold. So sometimes I don't feel like it's the holidays because the weather is so hot. But I feel fresh. I am going to watch Zoella because her Vlogmas Day 1 came out and I am excited to watch it. I watch that every year. I can't wait to watch Zoe's vlog. I'm so excited. It's like an annual thing. Like I have to watch a Zoella vlog, like Vlogmas, in the holidays because it gets me in the Christmas spirit. And she has 2 children now. And Poppy has a daughter too. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Their family is just growing and it's just cute and I've been watching them for years. Okay, I gotta breathe, calm down. I gotta breathe like Ayana's project earlier. She was like, you need to slow down. You need to remember to slow down and just breathe. So I'm doing that right now. Okay, we're gonna go watch TV. I wanna watch Zoella's vlog. I'm gonna show you a little bit of it. And then I think I'm gonna end the vlog there, like ending it at Zoe so I can edit this before I go to bed. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow for day 3, and I think I have a package arriving tomorrow from Kuya Chester from Japan, but I could be wrong because he said it could arrive tomorrow, but it also cannot. Like, I don't know like how fast shipping wise goes, so we'll see. If I do get it tomorrow, you guys are getting an unboxing of what they put in the box. Okay, so yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
The oldest. It's not like that before. She's chubby before.
She's a kid now.
The elf is going to be hiding somewhere every morning when he gets back from going to Santa. Hear that, movie?
The odds of this camera falling is very, very highly likely. So I'm gonna try and not bump it. This was, as you can see, I have my bangs. And I haven't had bangs, like I haven't had my bangs like straight cut in a while. Usually I just like, it's more like a side bang and I don't really like it anymore. I want to go back to my bangs. So this is an impulsive thing to do. So let's see if I can do it again. I haven't done this in a while. I'm taking y'all with me. Let's see how this goes. Okay. I'm not nervous. When I went to the Philippines, I went to a Korean hair salon and Sky, oh my gosh, she did my bangs so freaking wonderfully. Like, that was the best bangs I've ever had. Like, that's my favorite look ever. It's so, like, I just loved how she did it. I obviously can't do that, so I'm not gonna do that. I can cut it off a little bit more. This is too long. Now this is the part I'm afraid of. See how I already have bangs? I gotta match it. I keep making a scrunch face because these glasses are so heavy. They slide off my nose. It's coming along now that it's drying. I'm done. I feel so much more like myself. Oh, the bangs, I knew I was missing the bangs. Oh my god. Don't get me wrong. I liked myself. I enjoyed myself with the middle parting for a while. But, I like having bangs. And it covers my forehead. I don't know, I think I just don't like my forehead. Good, because I started off the day really tired, but I'm feeling better now. I feel like I can conquer tomorrow. Although I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow with you guys. We'll see what the day brings. This is not something I was expecting to do during Vlogmas, but I'm very, very satisfied. I'm so glad that I did this. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to bed for reals now, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye!